Welcome to my video. Today, we are showing top 5 best microscope camera in 2024. Hi guys, are you looking for the best microscope camera? If you received a new microscope camera, then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to review the top 5 best microscope camera on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading, reviews, and orders. Number 1. Haier Microscope Camera. The Haier Microscope Camera is a high-quality digital camera designed specifically for use with microscopes, allowing users to capture detailed, high-resolution images or videos of specimens being examined under magnification. It is ideal for professionals, researchers, students, and hobbyists in fields like biology, medical research. Rating: 5.0. Reviews: 5. Sold: 36. Number 2. Mashiwi Microscope Camera. The Mashiwi Microscope Camera is a versatile and innovative digital camera designed to work with microscopes, enabling users to capture high-quality images and videos of specimens under magnification. It is popular among students, researchers, educators, and hobbyists. Rating: 4.7. Reviews: 15. Sold: 51. Number 3. Mechanic Mose 4K Pro Industrial Video Microscope Camera. This microscope camera is a high-performance, state-of-the-art digital microscope camera designed for industrial and professional use. It provides ultra-high-definition imaging, advanced features, and rugged durability, making it ideal for inspecting. Rating: 4.4. Reviews: 8. Sold: 43. Number 4. Mechanic D X4K Mini 24MP Microscope Video Camera. This microscope video camera is a high-performance digital camera designed for use with microscopes, offering advanced imaging capabilities and excellent versatility in various scientific, industrial, and educational applications. Link on the description. Rating: 4.7. Reviews: 3. Sold: 16. Number 5. Yizun Microscope Camera. The Yizun Microscope Camera is a versatile digital microscope camera designed to capture high-quality images and videos through a microscope. Known for its user-friendly features and reliable performance, the Yizun camera is a popular choice among hobbyists, educators, researchers. Rating: 5.0. Reviews: 2. Sold: 16. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.